Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 1, Basketball Review. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Let's get ready to rock the test. Directions. 1. Challenge yourself or compete against other players or groups. 2. Strictly no opening of notes. 3. Read each question, then advance to the pause and play screen. 4. Pause at the pause and play screen while you work out your answer. 5. Everyone reveal your answers before you go to the next screen. But first, a quote from Kobe Bryant. "I'll do whatever it takes to win games, whether it's sitting on a bench waving a towel, handing a cup of water to a teammate, or hitting the game-winning shot." Let's go. Start now. Question 1. This array equals 3 times 2. True or false? Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. Answer: true. There are 3 rows of 2 basketballs. The array is represented by the expression 3 times 2. Way to go! Next question. Question 2 is multiple choice. 4 times 5 equals 20. In this multiplication sentence, 20 is the blank. Is it A factor, B product, C quotient, or D multiplier? Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. Answer: B product. In a multiplication sentence, the total is the product. Nice! Fire up the next question. But first, a quote from Michael Jordan. "I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something. But I can't accept not trying." Question 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. Write a related multiplication sentence and division sentence. Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. Answer: 3 times 6 equals 18. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Question 4, vocabulary. In a division question, the answer is called the blank. Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. Answer: in a division question, the answer is called the quotient. High five! Next question. Question 5. Which array shows 3 rows of 4? Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. Answer: A. Because a row is horizontal, there are 3 horizontal rows with 4 in each row. Let's go. Start now. But first, a quote from Patricia Summit. "A champion is someone who is willing to be uncomfortable." Question 6. True or false? Mr. Lee buys a sheet of cookies for the team. There are 3 rows of 3 chocolate cookies. There are 2 rows of 3 lemon cookies. This array represents Mr. Lee's cookies. Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. The answer is false. There should be 5 rows of 3 in all because 3 plus 2 equals 5. Keep going. Next question. Question 7, multiple choice. Which equation matches the picture? A, 4 times 3 equals 7. B, 3 times 4 equals 7. C, 4 times 3 equals 12. D, 3 times 3 equals 12. Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. Answer C. There are 4 rows of 3, and 4 times 3 equals 12. Whoosh! Bring on the next question. Question 8, vocabulary. In multiplication, factors can change their order without changing the product. We call that the blank property. Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. Answer. In multiplication, factors can change their order without changing the product. We call that the commutative property. You've got this. Next question. Question 9 is multiple choice. Which equation shows the break apart and distribute strategy for solving multiplication? A. 5 times 3 equals 4 times 3 plus 1 times 3. B. 5 times 3 equals 3 times 5. C. 5 times 3 equals 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Or D. 5 times 3 equals 15. Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. Answer A. 5 times 3 equals 4 times 3 plus 1 times 3. There are 5 3's, so we can break that apart into 4 3's plus 1 3. Ready for the last question? Ready, set, go. Question 10, true or false? 7 times 10 equals 5 times 10 plus 2 times 10. Pause here and press play when you have your answers ready. The answer is true. There are 7 tens in all. These can be broken apart into 5 tens plus 2 tens because 5 plus 2 equals 7. You did it! Check your score. If you have an equal number of 5 points and 5 points, move on to the tiebreaker question. Tiebreaker, go into overtime. There are 5 players on blue team and 5 players on red team. Each player scores 6 points. How many points are scored in all? Complete the equation using the distributive property to solve. Write a sentence to explain your answer. Pause and play. Answer. 60 points are scored in all because 10 players scored 6 points each. That's 10 times 6 equals 60. 5 times 6 plus 5 times 6 equals 10 times 6. Good work.